In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger message not sending problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Messenger, click on Messenger, update your Messenger app. Now search for 111.vpn, click on it, install it. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Messenger, click on Messenger, click on force stop, click on OK, click on storage and cache, clear cache, then clear the storage, then delete. Now open 1.1.vpn app, click on next, accept, install VPN profile, click on OK, not now. Now click on connect. Now open your Messenger app, log into your account. Now message someone. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger not sending message. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.